So we cannot understand what is the exact hotness of an object by touching. What is the exact value of hotness? Okay, exact value of hotness, whether it is cold or hot. What is the exact value? So when we are touching left hand, we feel hot. When we are touching right hand, we feel cold. So we cannot understand. We cannot find what is the exact value of hotness of an object by touching. Okay, so the exact value or exact number, exact value of an object, exact value of hotness of an object is called what? Is temperature. Okay, temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is the exact value of hotness of an object, whether it is cold or hot. When we are touching, some will feel what? Some will feel hot, some will feel cold. Okay, that is not a problem. But the exact value of an object, exact value of hotness of an object is called its temperature. So what is temperature? Temperature is the exact value of hotness of an object. So we have to measure the exact value, or we have to measure the temperature. Temperature means what? Exact value of hotness of an object, exact value of hotness of an object. So this is temperature. So we have to measure the exact value of hotness, that is temperature. Okay, we have to measure the exact value of hotness or temperature. So there is an instrument to measure the exact value of hotness or temperature. That instrument is called what? Thermometer. What? Thermometer. So what is thermometer? Thermometer measures the exact value of hotness of an object, or thermometer measure the temperature of an object. What is temperature? Temperature is the exact value of hotness of an object. Okay, we will feel sometimes hot by touching, we will feel sometimes cold. Okay, so we cannot say whether it is hot or cold, what is the exact value. So the exact value of hotness is what? Temperature. So we have to for measuring this exact value or temperature, there is a device. That device is called what? Thermometer. So thermometer measures exact value of hotness. So there is the exact value of hotness is called what? Temperature. One word, what? The exact value of hotness of an object is temperature. So we have to measure the temperature, or we have to measure the exact value of hotness, and there is an instrument. That instrument is called what? Thermometer. So by using thermometer, we are measuring what? Exact value. Value means what? Number. Okay, value means what? Number. So the thermometer will have a scale. Scale will have what? Numbers. Okay. Thermometer is used to measure the exact value of hotness. So exact value means what? Numbers. Okay, 1 2 3 okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So value means what? Numbers. So thermometer will have what? Numbers, that is scale. Thermometer will have what? A scale. Scale means what? Numbers. Scale means what? Numbers. Okay, so many scientists. Okay, so many scientists what found, or so many scientists made so many what? Scales. Okay, scales. So one scientist who made a scale? Who made a scale? Some one scientist, his name is what? Celsius. Okay, Celsius. One scientist who made what? Whose name is what? The name of the scientist what? Celsius. Who made a scale? That scale is called what? Degree Celsius. Okay, that scale is what? Degree Celsius. Or that scale or that thermometer is called Celsius thermometer. Okay, scientist named scientist who made a scale with an instrument with a thermometer, scale with a thermometer. That thermometer is called Celsius thermometer. Celsius thermometer. So, what is Celsius thermometer? Celsius thermometer is a device which was made by scientist Celsius. Okay, scientist Celsius. So, temperature is the exact value of hotness of an object. Then, in order to measure the exact value of hotness or temperature, we need an instrument. That instrument is called what? Thermometer. So, thermometer is a device to measure temperature of an object. So, by using thermometer, we are measuring the values. So, values means what? Numbers. So, thermometer should have what? Numbers. That thermometer should have what? A scale. Okay, a scale. So, Celsius what made? Scientist Celsius made a scale, that is Celsius scale. That the device, the thermometer with the Celsius scale is called what? Celsius thermometer. Another scientist, Fahrenheit, who made a scale with an who made an instrument with a scale. That scale is called what? Fahrenheit scale. The Fahrenheit scale with the thermometer is called what? Fahrenheit thermometer. Fahrenheit thermometer. Understand? The scientist named Fahrenheit who made a scale. That scale is called what? Fahrenheit scale. The scale, the instrument with the scale, the thermometer with the scale is called what? Fahrenheit thermometer. Fahrenheit thermometer. Understand? Another scientist called Kelvin. Another scientist called Kelvin who made a scale. That scale is called what? Kelvin scale. The thermometer with the Kelvin scale is called what? Kelvin thermometer. So, Celsius thermometer is there. Celsius thermometer is what? Celsius Celsius made a thermometer. That thermometer is called Celsius thermometer. Fahrenheit made a thermometer, that is Fahrenheit thermometer, and Kelvin made a scale or thermometer, that is Kelvin thermometer. Okay, so these are about. Next we can find different types of thermometer for according to their usage. For what we are using the thermometer? There is a there is a temperature. Temperature is different in different place. In the sun, in the stars, temperature is very high. That we cannot measure this Celsius scale. And in the polar region, the temperature is very low. So we have to measure the temperature by using different type of thermometer. So we have to study different type of thermometer, because in the world the temperature is different. Some place temperature is very high, temperature is very low, some place temperature is very low. So we need a different type of thermometer. So in health, in hospitals we are using some type of thermometer, and some so according to their usage, the thermometers are different types. So next class we will study that different types of thermometer. Okay, thank you.